Bienvenue dans le jour 5 de notre programme Apprendre l'anglais en 30 jours avec Double Langue Academy. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre à compter, dire l'heure et parler du temps, des bases essentielles pour comprendre et se faire comprendre en anglais. C'est parti. Les nombres. 1,
1,
2,
2, 2,
3,
3, 3,
4,
4, 4,
5,
5, 5,
6,
6, 6,
7,
7, 7,
8,
8, 8,
9,
9, 9,
12,
12, 12,
13,
13, 13,
14,
14, 14,
15,
15, 15,
16,
16, 16,
17,
17, 17,
18,
18, 18,
19,
19, 19,
20,
20, 20.
Exemple, j'ai 3 livres.
Examples: I have 3 books. I have 3 books.
Elle a 10 pommes.
She has 10 apples. She has 10 apples.
Les dizaines. 30,
30, 30,
40,
40, 40,
50,
50, 50,
60,
60, 60,
70,
70, 70,
80,
80, 80,
90,
90, 90,
100.
100, 100.
Exemple, mon père a 50 ans.
My father is 50 years old. My father is 50 years old.
Dire l'heure. Quelle heure est-il?
What time is it? What time is it?
Il est 1 heure.
It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock.
Il est 2h30.
It's 2:30. It's 2:30.
Il est 3h moins le quart.
It's 2:45. It's 2:45.
Il est 4h15.
It's 4:15. It's 4:15.
Il est midi.
It's noon. It's noon.
Il est minuit.
It's midnight. It's midnight.
Exemple, quelle heure est-il? Il est 7h30.
What time is it? It's 7:30. What time is it? It's 7:30.
Parler du temps, la météo. Quel temps fait-il?
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
Il fait beau.
It's sunny. It's sunny.
Il pleut.
It's raining. It's raining.
Il fait froid.
It's cold. It's cold.
Il fait chaud.
It's hot. It's hot.
Il neige.
It's snowing. It's snowing.
Il y a du vent.
It's windy. It's windy.
Exemple, il fait beau aujourd'hui, mais il pleuvait hier.
It's sunny today, but it was raining yesterday. It's sunny today, but it was raining yesterday.
Phrase pratique. À quelle heure te réveilles-tu?
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
Je me réveille à 7 heures.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Il fait froid ce matin.
It's cold this morning. It's cold this morning.
Excellent travail. Tu sais maintenant compter, dire l'heure et parler du temps en anglais. Continue le défi avec le jour 6, les couleurs et les descriptions. Et écris en commentaire, je continue le défi 30 jours.